Do not hasten to bid me adieu.
I do.
Just remember the Red River Valley and the cowboys who loved you so true.
3, 2, 1.
We pitched a tent in the dark. You had a hold of my heart under the skies of the national park. You made a playful remark. It's what I loved from the start. You took my hand and we danced in the dark. Well, that seems so long ago. You skipped town to be alone, and I know that we are better on our own. But sometimes I think about Yellowstone. I haven't been home in a while. We carved pumpkins at my house as the snow fell on the ground, and I saw those words on your mouth.
We're getting eaten alive by the bugs. I'm dying of malaria. We woke up to 7 feet of snow. We had to crawl our way out. It was so cold that we lost a toe.
These spoons to dig ourselves out of the snow.
Grizzlies yesterday. Actually 4 is horrible.
Thought we'd never get around to any subtle doubts. You came undone and I watched you shout. Well, that seems so long ago. You skipped town to be alone, and I know that we are better on our own. But sometimes I think about Yellowstone. I haven't been home in a while. I pitched a tent in the dark, and I looked up at the stars in the skies of the national park. I think back to the start, and I wonder how you are. Are you happy? I hope you are. 'Cause it was so long ago when you skipped town to be alone. And I know that we are better on our own. But sometimes I think about Yellowstone, and I know I haven't been home in a while. I haven't been home in a while.
Sit by my side if you love me. Do not hasten to bid me adieu. I do. Just remember the Red River Valley and the cowboys who loved you so true.